So I may have decided to splurge on a Loewe bag on my recent trip to Spain. So I thought I would give a little review so far on the bag that I picked out and my experience shopping at Casa Loewe. And obviously, if you're watching this, you probably know Loewe is from Spain, and Casa Loewe is a flagship in Barcelona. It's on Passeig de Gracia. It's absolutely iconic. Also, look at this cute little ribbon that they added to the bag. And as a Canadian, I don't actually own a Loewe bag. I've actually never even purchased a full designer bag from one of the stores, so this was like a big moment for me. I wanted to go for something a little bit more classic, timeless, and like something that I knew would be a good investment. And so after browsing around the store a lot, I decided to go for the mini puzzle bag calfskin in taupe. And one of the things that our sales associate pointed out was that there's like 4 different colors they had in stock of this. I don't actually know how many colors they have, but 2 of them actually had silver hardware, and this one and one of the other colors had the gold hardware. I am a silver and gold girly, but I do love gold hardware to match my jewelry like right now. So this color just felt very classic, and I just love this one. I was actually deciding between the calfskin and the lambskin, but after doing a little bit more research, I know the lambskin is a lot softer, so maintenance wise, like it's a bit harder to maintain. So this one just felt a little bit stronger and more durable for the long term, and I honestly really love how she feels and how it looks. And obviously it comes in the iconic like puzzle bag pattern. I was really debating getting a different Loewe bag, but I tried on a lot of bags in store, and this one just felt the most like wearable for an everyday moment. It obviously has this little zipper where you can open, and then I haven't even taken this out yet, but it comes with a long strap. So this one where you can wear it on your shoulder or as a crossbody. So I love this feature. I'm sure I will also actually wear it a lot with just this top handle, because I feel like it'll be a really cute accessory when it comes to like nicer events when I need a little bag to hold that's almost a clutch size. I love the mini size. I'm definitely a mini bag person. I don't like carrying heavy bags, so this one is just like the perfect size for me. In terms of cost, this bag, if I were to buy it in Canada, it would be around $4,000. The price in euros, this one's around 2,200 euros, and it converts to around 3,500 Canadian, just at Casa Loewe, not even including the VAT refund. For the VAT refund, I got around $470 back, so it ended up being around $3,000 Canadian for this bag, which is almost $1,000 in savings. Obviously, depending on if you get charged duties or not when you come back. I'm not going to get into that in this video, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this like bag overall and how I feel with it. Let me show you what fits inside my mini bag. I think that's like a question I get asked a lot in terms of like size wise, like how is the sizing? I have the iPhone 16 Pro, so it's not the Pro Max, but this one fits super comfortably in, as you can see. And then I have my little card holder, so gonna stick that in. There's honestly still a ton of space. Like I think I could even squish my digital camera in here, but let me just put this like big, thick portable charger in just for reference. This one also goes in so nicely, and there's still a little bit of extra room. I can close it very comfortably, and then it just holds like that. So perfect. I think I will be styling this one a lot. Okay, and then the last thing I want to talk about in this video is getting the VAT refund if you are buying a bag in Europe. I got a lot of questions about this on like social media, so I just thought I would answer them here in case it's helpful to you. But if you are an international and you are planning to buy like a bag from Spain specifically, all you need to have is a photo of your passport. You actually don't even need the physical passport when you go shop at like Casa Loewe. They'll get your passport details. You want to make sure to validate them to make sure everything is correct. So all your personal information, your passport number, birthday, full name, they will show you this before you head out of the store. And it's really important that you check this because I have I definitely saw stories before of people not being able to claim the refund because the information wasn't accurate. So making sure that information is accurate when you check out in store, it's such a great experience, honestly, and they assign you a specific sales associate at Casa Loewe. And then the last thing, to claim your VAT refund, you can choose whether you want this via cash or back onto the card you purchased the bag on. And this can only be done at your last spot in the EU before you leave. So our last spot was still in Barcelona. Like, we did some of the islands and then we flew back out of Barcelona, and you have to do the tax refund before you check in. And one thing that some people don't realize is how long the lines will be at tax refund and even the stations and the kiosks. And you pretty much just have to go to the digital machines to validate everything until there is a green check mark. And if there's a green check mark on all the receipts, that means the system has approved your tax refund, and you can either go to the kiosk to get the cash in person, or it will automatically go to your card. We went to a kiosk just to make sure everything was processed correctly and there weren't any receipts that were missing, or sometimes they want to validate like that you have the product and it hasn't been used yet, which is why it's also important to have this with you before you check in, to make sure, like, if you do need to show any of the products that you purchased, then you can show that so they can validate it. I was a little bit nervous about that because it was a little confusing at the Barcelona airport in terms of like if we needed to speak to an agent or if we were good with just the green check mark on the digital kiosks. If you download the Global Blue app, you can actually keep track of all your tax refunds in here. So I did end up seeing the Loewe like tax refund, and it ended up updating me a few days later that it was being processed and it would be sent back to my card in 3 to 5 business days. So it was a super smooth process. I feel like the instructions could have been more clear at the airport, but that was just me. Like, maybe it's just because I haven't done the whole tax refund process in a while in Barcelona. And the thing with Barcelona is you actually don't need to speak with an agent at all. Like, the kiosk also approves the tax refunds. If there is an X, that's when you would need to go to an agent. I don't know how this looks in other parts of the EU, but that's always something to keep in mind, is that you can only process this in your last destination if you want to make sure you get that tax refund before you head back home. And yeah, so that is pretty much the overview of how I got the VAT refund and my first bag purchase from Loewe. I'm loving this bag so far, and I can't wait to use her on like an everyday basis. Honestly, a little bit scared to use her like every single day, but definitely for nice events and for work, I will be taking this little baby around with me.